Hello guys, welcome back to Competitor for You YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to discuss with you about UC. UC is an examination which is conducted by IIT Bombay. Okay, for the 2024 UC examination is conducted by IIT Bombay, and since 5 to 7 years the IIT Bombay is going to conduct this examination for the designing course, BSc designing course. Okay, so once you can see the uh, form as well. Yes, I'll show you once. Yeah, you can see here you see undergraduate common entrance exam for designing 2024. Yeah, you can see here the important dates made. So coming to the point, the start date for online registration October 3rd, 2023 at 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, and last date of the registration with regular fee is October 31st, and last date of registration for the late fee is November 8th, 2023, and your admit card will be downloading from November 5th, and your admit card last disappearance on the site portal is 11th of January, and your time of the examination is January 21st, 2024 on Sunday, which is from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. 12 noon, sorry, and you can see here most of the things were given which when your scorecard is downloaded, and all the things which are your answer key and final answer key announcement parts for the part 1 and part 2. Here we have the two parts here. So first part is that about which is your testing of your mental and physical knowledge of your mindset, and the second which is you have to draw in the paper. They can arrange you, and they can give you the paper and another thing, and yeah, you can see here admissions, BPS application, and eligibility. Coming to the point of the eligibility is that, so eligibility criteria is that first of all the participating universities you can see here. First of all is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, and triple IIT DM Jabalpur. Okay, and these are the IITs, and most of the central universities are participating in here. And age limit you can see here. The student born after October 1st, 199. Okay, and OBC NCL category, this is the applicable, and the STSC category, the student has to born after the now October 1 and 1994. Okay, this is the criteria. And number 2, the qualification is the candidate have to qualify 10 mark. You have to get minimum marks in UC 2024. Okay, and exam qualification. For these you have to you are the single dropper, or you are the student of 12th right now. So this is the criteria here. And yes, in the download sections you can go and download previous year papers, and as well as the brochures, and you can see here. Yes, when I was gave this examination, so I have observed the guys just go through the previous year papers only. So this is the best thing which I was observed in this examination. The best thing here is most of the JEE aspirants were give this examination, because you can see here IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Hyderabad, and triple IIT DM Jabalpur. Okay, So these are the institutions which are very renowned, and these institutions get more respect. So that is why most of the students of JEE aspirants and who are the droppers of the JEE aspirant, they can give this examination. So guys, don't miss this examination. Uh, which I was told you about the date schedule of this examination. Please make sure, you can see here, make before your applications before the October 31st. Why you want to pay the late fee? Okay, so this is the thing, guys, and so guys, we will meet in another video. Bye.